Hello class 7th, welcome to the class. So today we are going with the new chapter. The name of our chapter is A Gift of Chappals. So A Gift of Chappals, this chapter is basically divided into two parts, the first part and the second part. Now the first part basically tells about a girl whose name is Mridu and she lives with her Tapi and Tata. Now you must wondering what is Tapi and what is Tata. Tapi is grandmother in Tamil. In Tamil we called grandmother is Tapi and Tata is grandfather. So what happened basically, Mridu lives with her grandparents. One fine day, what happened, Mridu grandmother asked and tells so that today we are going to your aunt's place and the aunt's name is Rukumani. So they are visiting Rukumani's place. So a smiling Rukumani threw open the door. Ravi and Meena rushed out and Ravi pulled Mridu into the house. Wait, let me take off my slippers, protested Mridu. She set them out neatly near a pair of large black ones. Those were grey, actually with dust. You could see the clear mark of every toe on the front part of each slippers. The marks for the two big toes were long and scrappy. So Ravi get excited to see Mridu. So what then Ravi pulled Mridu inside. Come, let's go. So this is the scene. What happening in the scene? So Ravi pulled Mridu. Wait, let me take out my slippers. Now Mridu says, why are you pushing me so fast? Let me take out my slippers. So Mridu take out her slipper very well and neatly and keeps them aside. But while keeping her slipper, she notices very important. Now in the beginning she does not pay much heed to it, but notices these black slippers, a pair of large black slippers with mark of toes. Now mark of toes show that they are very old and they are very worn out. So these was sleeper. Okay, just keep in your mind that she saw some sleepers. This what happened. So she does not think about whose sleepers there were. She just went inside, kept out her sleeper and just went inside. Now let's see what happened next. Now her cousin Ravi and Meena, they were very excited. They wanted to tell her a secret. Now the secret was about a kitten. So they were telling the whole story. So very small kitten lapping up milk from a half coconut shell. They were giving the milk in that coconut shell. Meena and Ravi found it outside the gate, mewing and mewing. They were telling her cousin Ritu that this mewing, we found a cat. That cat was mewing and mewing in the morning. So we took that cat inside. Now Meena tells Mridu that it's a secret. So now Meena is awaiting Mridu and she warning her, please, मतलब ये है कि वो उसको ऐसे समझाती है, प्लीज़ ये एक सीक्रेट है, इसको सीक्रेट रखना और किसी और को मत बताना. बिकॉज व्हाट विल हैपन इफ़ पाती कम्स टू नो, पाती हर इज़ द ग्रैंड मदर, अगर उनको पता चलेगा तो वो अपने पद्दू मामा के घर चली जाएंगी. इफ़ शी नोज़ वी हैव अ कैट. सो दे वर वेरी अफ्रेड. सो दैट they kept the secret that they have a small kitten. Okay, now this is the secret that they share. What happened for the Ravi describe his problem. Look, after he's saying that people always tell us to be kind to animals, but when we are they scream, oh, don't bring that dirty creature here. People are always telling us to be kind to animals, but when we are they scream, oh, don't bring that dirty creature here, said Ravi. Now what happened, generally our parents and elders explain us that we should look after animal, we should be kind towards them, but generally we look after street dogs, touch we are doing anything out of it, so our elder will be like, oh, don't do this, oh, don't do that, it is a dirty creature. So this was the first problem that we are facing, keeping the kitten. So to be continued. Thank you.